Welcome back to the channel. Today we're continuing our journey across Kyrgyzstan as we travel from Song Kul Lake to the remote Kel Suu. Not long after setting off, we passed through small, remote settlements and saw groups of children waiting by the roadside, waving at passing vehicles and hoping travellers might stop to give them sweets or anything of value. It's a striking reminder of how isolated life can be out here.
This leg of the trip is a long one and takes around 8 to 10 hours. Before long, we begin descending Parrots Pass, a steep, winding mountain road famous for its 33 tight corners. It's a proper white-knuckle descent at times, with incredible views as we drop down into the valleys below. We're starting this drive already high up, with Song Kul sitting at around 3,000 metres, so the altitude is something you really feel from the beginning. Further along the drive, the landscape changes dramatically as we follow a river cutting through a deep canyon. At one point, we crossed a wooden bridge over the river and pulled over to stretch our legs and have some lunch. We walked right up to the edge of the canyon, looking down at the rushing water far below. One of those unexpected moments that really sticks with you. As we continue east, the altitude climbs again through a series of high mountain valleys and passes, many of them reaching 3,400 metres. By the time we reach Kel Suu, we will be even higher, with the lake sitting at around 3,500 metres deep in the mountains near the Chinese border.
After a long day on the road, we had finally arrived at our destination. We were greeted by the local Kyrgyzstan dogs. Strong and friendly, they fought for our affection, which we were only too happy to give them.
We shared the love around, although, as Tiffany found out, it wasn't always reciprocated.
The camp staff then showed us to our yurts, a perfect welcome at the end of an epic drive.
Do you have to walk around 3 times first? Oh. Maybe this one?
Oh.
I don't think this is the traditional way. Yes! Success!
And pull from there.
And then pull. Alright. Ah, it's here.
Go to more.
This.
And pull.
Does that do?
Enough.
Enough?
Enough.
Awesome.
Check.
Convertible.
Oh, I think you can pull a little bit more.
Oh yeah? Maybe.
You can have a look, but...
As long as there's some air coming in. That's right. Oh no, that's good.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's okay.
After settling into our yurts and soaking in the incredible mountain scenery, it was time for the walk up to Kel Suu Lake. From the camp, the hike is moderate but high altitude, taking about 2 hours one way, depending of course on how often you stop to admire the views.
We had finally made it. After months of planning and preparation, that place which seemed so far away was now right in front of us,